how to learn COBOL. Well,
But you must follow the Pacta Cobol trainings.
What if COBOL training was the real solution to reduce migration costs? For decades, millions of lines of COBOL code have been running reliably in banks, insurance companies, and government systems. These programs are stable, trusted, and still function without major issues. And yet, many companies spend millions attempting to migrate to other languages, with some projects eventually abandoned, overwhelmed by complexity or disappointing results. But there is a simpler, more sustainable alternative: train COBOL developers. At Pacta Cobol, we offer a training program designed for true beginners, even with no prior programming experience. Our lessons are written in French, but are structured for easy browser-based translation and can even be listened to as audio, using your screen reader or text-to-speech tools. Whether your goal is to maintain existing COBOL systems, modernize progressively, or prepare for a hybrid migration without rewriting everything, learning COBOL remains a strategic advantage. Learn more at cobol.pacta.com.